I'm Dr. Malmed from the Asea Medical Professionals Board. I'm a 35-year chiropractor. 5 of those years were in a New York hospital using the Asea Redox technology. One of the more common questions we get is, what if I detox? Is that a side effect? The answer is we are actually detoxing every second of every day. That's why we're able to continue living. Detoxification is the way the body gets rid of toxins and metabolic wastes and just cellular junk. So without detoxing, we can't live. So when you drink Asea, Asea helps your cells to rid themselves of junk by repairing themselves, by replacing themselves. And when that cellular debris and metabolic waste, when they go into the bloodstream, sometimes they look for a way to get out. It has to be excreted. And so that's why we ask you to drink more water, preferably 1/2 ounce per pound of body weight, so that you can get that cellular debris out. If it's not coming out well because you're not drinking enough water or you just have too much cellular debris, sometimes it tries to come out in the form of a detox rash. Sometimes you feel tired. You might get a headache. You might sweat more. There are different things that can be caused, sometimes GI symptoms. These are to be congratulated. It means that your body is healing very quickly, faster than it's used to healing and faster than it's used to being handled by the body. So do not ever be afraid of detox. If it's going too fast, you can always decrease your Asea a little bit while increasing your water, and then as it gets more comfortable for you, go right back up to those doses, keep the water levels up, and never be afraid of detox. No one ever has a side effect from detox. It may be uncomfortable, but what's on the other side of detox is what this is all about, a better path towards health.